Today we're gonna make rice pudding. And to make rice pudding, we're gonna need a gallon of milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, condensed milk, and rice. To make the rice, we have to cook the rice first. So we're gonna need 8 cups of water and 4 cups of rice. And we're gonna boil the water. And once the water is boiling, then we're gonna add the rice. So this is gonna take like easy 15 minutes to get the rice cooked. We gotta cook the rice all the way. Once the rice is cooked and soft, we're gonna add the milk. We're gonna add 4 cups of milk, along with condensed milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and 2 cups of sugar. Okay, so once we add all the ingredients, we're just gonna let it cook for like another 10 minutes, and the milk will start reducing. Like the milk and all the ingredients will start like thicken up, and you will notice that the rice is getting thick and creamy, and then is when you start noticing that the rice is ready, that the pudding is ready. And then I'm gonna show you the cooling process, because we need to cool down the pudding for like 2 hours or so. We are ready to bring it out. Now enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.